Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up bank records for EV incentives using Bank of America easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Bank of America website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Accounts tab to view all your account details. Select the account from which you want to backup records related to EV incentives. Look for the Statements and Documents section on the Account Overview page. Click on Statements and Documents to access your bank statements. Select the time frame for which you need the records. Choose the statements related to your EV purchases or transactions. Click on the Download button next to each relevant statement. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or CSV. Confirm your download and wait for the file to be saved to your device. Navigate to your computer's Downloads folder and locate the downloaded files. Create a new folder on your device named EV Incentives. Move the downloaded bank statements into the EV Incentives folder for organized storage. If you also need transaction details, return to the Account Overview. Look for the Transaction History option and click on it. Set the date range to include all relevant transactions for your EV purchases. Click on the Export or Download button to save your transaction history. Choose your desired format and save the file to your device. Organize these files within the EV Incentives folder for easy access. Finally, consider backing up this folder to a cloud service or external drive for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.